How to empty trash on MacBook. Now this is going to be very helpful since it is also going to clear up your storage on Mac. So to clear storage on Mac, you want to go to the right side of your dock, click on trash. To know that you are in trash, obviously you have the title as well, and you can see all the files that are currently in trash. But how do you actually delete trash? So if I just go to the top right corner and select empty, it is going to delete all trash. Let's say you want to restore a few of these things, let's say these two images. In that case, I can actually delete it from trash so that it goes to its original source. So this originally was on desktop. So if I delete it, let's press command plus delete over here, and you can see it has automatically gone into desktop. So if I go to desktop, or even if I close this for now, you can see these two images have come back from trash. So they were here before and now they are there. Now to delete it, I can just drag and drop it. That would be more convenient as well. But to empty trash, I can select empty over here and then select empty trash, and that is gone. You can see the trash bin icon is also empty now to show you that trash is empty. But I'll create another folder so I can show you. So I've created another folder, but I don't want this folder to go to trash. I want to delete it permanently. I'm very sure of it. To delete it permanently, I can press option command and delete. But before that, obviously I have to select the file, option command delete. You can see there is a pop-up that will ask you, do you want to delete it immediately? I'm going to select delete. And as you can see, the trash icon has not filled up, which means it has not come to trash. So this file has been deleted permanently and immediately, so I cannot restore it by any means. So hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.